Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question: square root of b plus square root of negative b equals to 12. Let's find the value of b by saying solution, and the next is to copy what we have given: square root of b plus square root of negative b equal to 12. At this stage here, we can start by, you can take any side to change their position to go and close this equal sign. So here I decide to stay with b, which equals to 12 minus square root of negative b. And of course we do this in order to remove this square root that we have right here. So the next is to square both sides, and of course we shall remain with this one. Here we have b, which equals to, here shall say 12 squared, then minus 2, a times b, 12 times square root of negative b, then plus square root of negative b squared. And of course here we shall say b equal to 144 minus, here should be 24 square root of negative b, and of course here this and this should be negative b again. You have b and negative b. Once they close these equal signs will be positive, so that we shall say 2b from this one we add to this, and this should be equals to 144 minus 24 square root of negative b. Right, so here at this stage you have to divide both sides, divide by 2, so we get b equal to 72, then minus 12 square root of negative b. And at this stage we shall say b minus 72 equal to negative 12 square root of negative b. And of course at this stage we want to remove this square root that we have right here, so we have to square both sides. Right, so here we shall write b squared minus 2a, which is equal to 72b here, and plus 72 squared, and this will be 144 times negative b. Right, so this at this stage we have b squared minus here 144b plus 72 squared, right? Here I have 72 squared equals to negative 144b. So we have the numbers which is equals and the same signs, but they are on different sides, so that here they should be cancelled to each other. We shall still remain with b squared plus 72 squared equal to 0, and then here at this stage we have b squared, which should be negative 72 here squared. We want to remove these two that we have right here. We shall say right here at this stage we shall say square root of b squared will be square root of here negative 72 squared, and then at this stage here what we have b, which equals to positive or negative of square root of here negative 1 times here square root of here 72 squared, and at this stage we have b, which equals to positive or negative I square root of negative 1, and these two shall be cancelled of 72. So b1 equal to 72i. This is our value of b, and b2 equal to 72, which is negative 72i. Right. So finally I can say that thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.